standard operating procedures. All of these production operators, they live with lots of rules about how they're supposed to do their stuff. And I've read through many of those operating procedures. I studied them to understand how to take that information and put it into artificial intelligence in the best way possible, so that when you ask the question, this thing can just give you answers quickly. And those answers better be specific and actionable. And they better not have lots of paragraphs, because guess what? Production operators don't have the time to read the book or an essay. They need just what they need, right? And you can then take that answer and give it in a written form, or you can convert it to speech and sound it out to them. What I've learned is that people actually want to see something with their eyes. Operators like to see pictures or videos. But again, the best possible way to show something, to present information, depends on the environment and specifics of that plant, because you don't want to waste anybody's time. So this is what we're talking about. Now, if you're troubleshooting something, you would have had to go look this up, maybe ask your colleague. But if you're on the night shift, very frequently there's not many people to ask around. And so you would have to pull up that binder, look, find that page, and hope that that page is crafted with all the right detail. Because we all know many of these binders have very, very high level description of the process and not much detail to them. So what you are able to expect when you interact with these chatbots is that they have the right information, it's at the right level of detail, and they're able to give you answers like this. And so when you're running a refinery and you got these alarms on your screen, and you might be not a seasoned operator, and you maybe know some of them what they mean, but the others you kind of forgot, and you are not sure whether right now you need to do something about them. Well, problem solved. Just ask the AI chatbot about that alarm. It should be able to tell you what exactly you're supposed to do. Now, the other thing is the recipes. So in this world of production operators, I've seen it myself where on the night shift, a brand new production operator comes in. She has been trained before, but as with many people going through the training where there's a lot of new information thrown at you very rapidly, she forgot some of it. Now she's standing in front of a control screen. We're talking about 2 a.m., 3 a.m. She's not sure what to do next. She wants to ask somebody, but she's by herself in that control room. So luckily for her in that situation, she picked up the phone and called the support guys. And the support guys from IT actually knew how to run that equipment and told her what the next step is. But in the future world, when a person is in that situation, you just ask the AI chatbot, what is my next step? What people have figured out already is how to connect the detailed recipe where there's a step-by-step procedure of what the operator needs to do to observing the data in real time and telling them, okay, you have completed step 1 and step 2. Now you may be on step 3. So please proceed and set the parameters, load the feed ingredient if you need to do this. So things like that. So this technology is awesome because it will help you. That's exciting.